How to become a better decision maker. When you need to make an important decision, speed isn't everything. Sometimes we need to take our time and weigh all our options up to make a good decision. That is particularly important when the decision you're making has long-term or far-reaching consequences attached to it. In today's video, I want to share with you my 3 favorite tips for making better decisions. These are at the core of any decision-making process. Develop the habit of use them whenever you need to make an important decision, and you will quickly become a better decision maker. Write down a pros and cons list. Whenever there's a tough or complicated decision to make, one of your first steps should be to write up a pros and cons list. You may feel like you have a good overview of everything involved, but there's nothing quite as clarifying as having it in front of you in black and white. The process of making a list forces you to consider all aspects and possible outcomes. That results in you making better decisions based on all the applicable facts. You'll find the exercise very clarifying. Don't be surprised if an obvious choice stares you in the face by the time you're done making your list. Come up with a few alternatives. Another great strategy to make better decisions is to weigh up all your options and come up with a few different possibilities or alternatives. Often you can get around disadvantages or things you don't like about the obvious choice by getting a little creative and thinking outside the box. Before you make an important decision, get in the habit of thinking through a few different alternatives. Choose the best one and move through the rest of your decision-making process. As you use this strategy of coming up with alternatives, you'll get better at it and start seeing the bigger picture and different ways to reach the end goal. That's a good skill to have both during decision-making and also throughout the rest of your life. Talk to trusted advisors and get input from team members. Last, but not least, I want you to realize that you don't have to go it alone. Don't be afraid to ask for input about the decision you're about to make from trusted advisors, mentors, and even the people that will be affected by your decision. There are a couple of reasons why you want to talk to both groups of people. Advisors and mentors can help you because they have been in the same or similar situation. Tap into their experience, hear what they have to say, and then use that information as part of your decision-making process. Involving people affected by your decision makes sense for 2 reasons. The first is that you get another perspective on the situation and may discover some advantages and disadvantages you haven't thought of yet. The second, and perhaps more significant reason, is that by making them part of the process, they will be more likely to feel ownership in the decision and thus support you more in the implementation. Try it. It works. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it or found it useful, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you are ready to challenge your stress, anxiety and uncertainty, take action now and enroll in my course. Change your mindset to focus on the now and reduce stress and uncertainty. Click the link in the video description below and visit us at www.personaldevelopment.training. See you in the next video.